Hello everyone. So we're going to start with question number 30. So the question says, for a 1 molar aqueous solution of the following compound, which one of the following will show the highest freezing point? So we have been given these four compounds. We have to find which one will show the highest freezing point. So the solution which shows maximum freezing point must have minimum number of solute particles. Therefore, for the first equation, COH2O 5Cl Cl2.H2O will have COH2O 5Cl 2 plus Cl and 2Cl minus. I will be for 3 for it, and respectively for others, COH2O 4Cl and Cl.2H2O I will be 2, and for COH2O 3Cl.3H2O I will be 1, and for the last one, COH2O 6 Cl3 COH2O 6 3 minus I will be 4. So the solution of 1 mole COH2O 3 Cl3.3H2O will have a minimum number of particles in aqueous state. So the minimum number of particles will have maximum freezing point. Therefore answer 3 will be the correct answer. Thank you everyone.